If you're thinking of emigrating to Canada, or more specifically moving to Vancouver, then you're thinking along the right lines if you're looking for a sophisticated city, a place where culture is valued, and where the quality of life is about as high as it gets. Welcome to Vancouver.
Ranking third in the 2019 Best Country in the World report, Canada has a lot to offer, not only in its landscapes, clean cities, and friendly people, but also in terms of safety, work satisfaction, and the health of the population.
If you worry about moving to Canada because of the cold winters, then think again. Vancouver is often stated as being the place with the best climate in the country, and for good reason. It's beautifully mild in Vancouver, with heavy snowfalls rare during the winter.
This is due to the city being so close to the ocean. But it's not at all difficult to get to the snow if you really want to, as the mountains and ski slopes are close by. During the spring, the city's famous cherry blossoms come into bloom, and the streets are a wonderful sight.
If you ever need a break from studies or work, Vancouver caters to several exciting activities throughout the year. Enjoy a scenic bike ride along our seawall, cheer over a roaring crowd during one of our sporting events, or treat yourself to some of our locally sourced and fresh seafood.
As a coastal city with an active seaport, Vancouver is home to many ethnicities and is a haven to many cultures. You'll be able to experience everything from Lunar New Year events, the Indian celebration of Diwali, and the European summer solstice.
Meeting people from all over the world is as easy as visiting a local event, so you'll always have an opportunity to practice any language skills.
You can also enjoy the ease of access with our transit system, which connects you to all major cities in the Lower Mainland. Visiting the mountains is only a 15-minute transit ride from our main downtown area.
If you're looking to start a new life abroad, visit Vancouver and see for yourself why we're considered one of the best cities in the world to live in.